Hi friends, I'm Misha Sharma, Director of Trambak, and today I'm making this video to help a lot of startups and innovators understand a little bit about patent system. So I'll be covering 5 frequently asked questions related to patent applications, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. So first question is, what is a patent application? Patent application is an exclusive right which is given to the innovator by the government for a fixed period of 20 years. Now, the patent application needs to be evaluated. What are the types? Say in US, we have like utility patent applications, design applications, and plant applications. But in most of the world, it is like utility or design. So you have to understand the segregation and work about it. Then, what is the criteria of filing a patent application? So you need to evaluate the innovation that you're creating on 4 parameters and 4 grounds, you can say, and then decide whether to file for a patent application or not, and it is actually covering the sufficient requirement for doing so or not. First is your novelty requirement, which basically means that it should be novel and not made before. Second requirement is your obviousness in nature, so it should not be obvious to someone who is like experienced enough or probably working in that industry and they say that it is like just a mere combination of few things, so it should not be obvious in nature. Third is that it should have some industrial application, so it cannot be just a mere abstract idea or just the concept part of it. Then we also have one more requirement, which is falling under patentable subject matter or non-patentable subject matter. So the patentable subject matter would be that it can be either a process or a product. I'm just broadly speaking about it. And the non-patentable subject matter related to the Indian section is mentioned in your section 3 and section 4. So you can just go through the list to decide whether the kind of innovation that you are working on is actually patentable or not. Now, third question is that if I file a patent application in India, is it like applicable globally or what? That's what I hear pretty often from most of the people, and they're confused about global patent applications and these terms being used. So there is nothing as global patent application unless you file it in like every single country. So you have to first decide that what is your target jurisdiction and where exactly your market is, and according to that particular country you need to file your patent application. So that's how it goes about. It is territorial in nature. It doesn't mean that it automatically covers most of the jurisdictions. That's not the case. Then another question is when to file for a patent application. So answer to when is that what is the current state of your innovation. So if you are still in the research phase and you feel that there can be further modifications and additions to your patent application, filing a provisional application makes sense. Or if you're like completely ready with the entire stuff, you can just directly file a complete application. But it should be published after filing an application. So you need not to go and disclose it to the public domain. You have to file for your first application and then subsequently do the publication part of it. Now the next question is how to apply for a patent application. So patent applications can be applied either by the applicant himself by going to the concerned patent office and asking about the queries, submitting the required forms and fee structure and doing it. Or otherwise you can always hire a patent agent to take care of your drafting and searching needs. So that's how it goes. And the filing is about physical as well as online. So for online you need to have a digital signature and you have to prepare those forms in a proper manner, and that's how you can file for an application. So to file for a patent application or to fetch more details related to patent applications, you can check IP Indian website. They have quite an exhaustive data and sufficient documents to help you to understand what is patent application. I hope this video was helpful. Stay safe, take care.